Revisiting Cremated. 3 looks, 3 days. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, thanks for tuning in today, but if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications? Thanks so much. Okay, for the next few days, I'm going to revisit this palette that my daughter ordered last summer. I tried it once then, decided to give it another shot because it does have some really cool, dramatic colors. It's a great palette for both nude looks to super dramatic smoky looks. So this is my experiment. Here goes. Good morning, beautiful people. For the next few days, I'm going to be revisiting this Cremated collection from Jeffree Star. I'm going to come up with 3 different looks. Today, I think I'm going to lean into these sort of soft gray-green colors. And I'm going to start by using this color called Last Respects and just sort of lightly dust over my eyelids. You see, that color has sort of a soft light green gray effect. And the next shade I'm going to take is I'm taking my liner brush and I am going in with the Morgue. I'm just going to sort of line right along my lash line. Yeah, I'm actually borrowing this palette from my daughter. This is one that she bought last year when she was just turning me on to Jeffree. And now I think I want a little bit of shimmer, so I'm going in with Mausoleum and take that in the outer edge and along the crease. I'm using sort of a small flat packing brush for this one. And again, just sort of gently tapping along the crease. And I think my final touch for this is going to be using the shade Afterlife, which is a nice soft light gold, and just sort of dusting over everything with that. See this color? Okay, one thing she did warn me about was that this palette has a little more fallout than the other Jeffree palettes. So I'm going to go retouch my under eye a little bit and put on some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, my mascara's done, ready for the day. This is my look for today, using the Cremated collection, and I did not use any of the blacks and grays this time. I used basically Last Respects, the Morgue, Mausoleum, and Afterlife. So tomorrow I'm going to do another look using the lighter grays and the whites and the shimmers, and the next day I'm going for the really dark smoky look. Okay, so that's my challenge for this week, revisiting Cremated. Good morning, beautiful people. This is the second day of my Cremated experience. So I'm taking this palette by Jeffree Star and creating 3 different looks from it. Today, I'm going to focus on the whites and the light grays. And I think I'm going to start just by putting the white Death Blow on the base of my eyelids. Alright, now I'm taking the liner brush again, and this time I'm going in with, actually today is Wednesday that I'm filming this, so I'm going to go in with a shade called Wednesday. Wednesday was a character in the Addams Family, I think. Alright, I think I'll also take a little bit of this sort of a silvery color Goodbye and do that on the lower lash line. Alright, now I'm taking my small packing brush, and with that I am going in a little bit with Embalmed, which is a slightly shimmery silver, and just take that along the crease. It almost has like a blue tint when I put it on the eye. For a little more drama, I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going in with Mortuary Beautician and just put a little right in the outer corner and blend a little bit inwards. And then I'm taking this again and I'm using the same lighter silver Goodbye and just put a light dusting to sort of blend it all together. Now I'm going off camera a moment, put on my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, my mascara's done, my lashes are curled. I also put on a little powder. I had to touch up my under eye a little bit because this Cremated palette does seem to have a little more fallout than any of the other Jeffree palettes have had. But it's got a great range of colors, particularly if you like the smoky eye look or the sort of nude with a little bit of shine eye look. So this is my look for today. Again, I focused on the sort of soft grays and silvers. So what do you think? Tomorrow I'm going with a deeper, smokier look. Today is the final day of my revisiting Cremated experience. And I'm going for the drama a little bit today. So again, I'm starting with my basic brush. And I think today I'm going in, doing my base of my lids with Obituary to begin with. And for the liner, I'm going bold with Hearse. Let me be careful because I heard this does have fallout. Okay, and now I'm taking my packing brush and I'm going to try this with Death Certificate, this really deep smoky shimmer, and going in along the crease line. Alright, now I'm taking the blending brush and I think I'm going this really glittery pallbearer and just go from the outer corner toward the center. I think to even it up a little bit, I'm going to take Angel of Death with this liner brush and sort of go across the crease line, just sort of draw the crease with this shimmery, dark Angel of Death. See, right here. Just sort of draw in the crease and go out to the outer edge. And now I'm going to take the blender brush again and I'm doing this sort of shimmery, bronzy last look and just dust and sort of fill in a little bit with that. Okay, now I've got to go sort of clean it up a little bit and do my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, my mascara's done. This is my more dramatic look using the Cremated palette. Again, this palette came out about almost a year ago, and it's actually my daughter's. I tried it once when she first got it, but I decided to really spend more time with it this week. Okay, this is all of the silvers, grays, a few like gold, bronze, neutrals, a lot of different colors for a dramatic smoky look. But it's overall kind of a fun palette. It does, I think, of all of the Jeffree Star palettes, this one has had the most fallout. I usually have to retouch my under eyes after doing it. But overall still it's got a great selection of colors. So I'm kind of glad she bought it and that she's willing to loan it to me. Do you have a favorite product, a favorite brand that you'd like to share with me? If so, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'm always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.